Welcome to All About RC, guys. Today we will fly this Boeing 787 RC airplane over this water, and we will try to land on water. Let's see how it goes. I have shielded the ESC here. Not sure if this works or not, but yeah, we will try to land this plane on water. Alright, we have this Airbus A380 RC airplane. We will fly it over water and try to land on water. Let's see how it goes. I have shielded the ESC here with the tape. Let's see. Made it, guys. Alright, we are back home after flying Airbus A380 and Boeing 787 over water. And if you are wondering if the planes still work or not, then here it is. Okay, I'll put in the battery. Actually, I dried the planes in heater, and after drying I tried to see if they work or not, and to my surprise they did work. So that's what I'm going to show you. This one is turned on. Okay, let's turn on the controller also. Now yeah, you can see the throttle is working, and this plane has got elevator as well. So you can see the elevator is also working. Alright. Now let's see Airbus A380. I have tried this Airbus A380 also. Let's connect the battery. You can see the lights have turned on. Let's turn on the controller. I think it's connected now. The lights have turned solid. Okay, let's check the throttle. It's fine. This one also has got elevator. So you can see it's working. Alright. And let me show you something. I used these hand rubber gloves to shield the ESC. I was not sure if this would work or not, but as you saw, this worked perfectly. And after shielding ESC with this rubber gloves, I just taped it, okay, so that water cannot get inside ESC. I've been trying to achieve this thing since very beginning, and yeah, today I did it. Hope you liked the video. I will see you in my next. Please like and subscribe. I will see you in my next video.